Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, January the 13th, 2021. Yes, the third Sudoku I will solve is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number one, and this will be number 2159. All right, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, we see here 3 1s. So the fourth one must be in one of these 3 boxes because it cannot be in those 2 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. So it must be in one of these 3 boxes. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Yes, this conclusion is correct. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And then double O. Yes, we have here 3 O's. 3 1s. The fourth one should be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. In this row. So the other 2 boxes should be an O. Of course, we have here double 1, here no, there no. All right. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Between 2 1s comes an O. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. A double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in the first row, so the rest are O's. This should be an O because here we have 3 boxes, empty boxes. I need the fourth one, and this should be in one of these 3 boxes, not here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's, so this should be an O. All right. Then we have here also between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O there, no. Then double O here 1 there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1 there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then double 1 here no there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no there no. Then we need to compare. Double 1 have we 001. Do we have a 001 here? 001 here. 110. No. All right. Then I need to compare the columns. Double 1, 010. Yes. This column and that column. Empty box, oh, 1 1, 1 1 1 1. Yes, so we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 5 minutes with one comparing of the columns. Alright, I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very, very soon with the last Sudoku 8 tectonic, aka Sudoku in Japanese. See you later. Bye bye for now.